Hello, I thought I'd make another video for 9.3. You're welcome to watch, this one or watch the other one. So we're going to look at two special types of products. This first one, if you'll notice, it says x plus 3 squared. So that little 2 means we're supposed to multiply it by itself. So the way it's going to look is we're going to say x plus 3 times x plus 3. And then we're going to multiply just like we did yesterday. So let's distribute. We'll get x squared plus 3x, and then another 3x, and 3 times 3 is 9. And look at those in the middle. They're the same. We combine them, x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now, because we multiplied the exact same binomial, 3 plus 3 gave us 6 right here. So if you want to, there's a shortcut you can use. You don't have to use it, and you won't hurt my feelings if you don't use it. But the rule would say we would take a and square it, and then 2 times a and b plus b squared. Now look underneath, the same thing happens with x minus 4 times x minus 4. We would get x squared minus 4x plus 16. And again, we got the same thing in the middle. So x squared minus 8x plus 16. So the rule would be a squared minus, this time because there's a negative in the middle, 2 times ab plus b squared. Whenever you square a negative, it's going to become positive, so that's why b is squared. Let's just try the rule. Again, you don't have to use it. Move this up. So this first one would say 2x squared plus 2 times 2x times 3 plus 3 squared. And we can clean that up a little bit and call this 4x squared. And in the middle, 4 times 3 would be 12x plus 9. One more time. For number 2, it would say x squared minus 2 times x times 2y plus 2y squared. So that would be x squared minus 4xy plus 4y squared. So instead of using the rule, if you wanted to, you could just write it out twice and multiply like we normally were. Some of you will take to that shortcut and some won't use it, and it's just up to you. Alright, the next thing, one more little pattern we're going to look at. This one has a name. It's called difference of two squares. I want you to look at how these parentheses are related. One is plus, one is minus. The 5's are exactly the same, and the x's are exactly the same. When we distribute, we'll get x to the second, and then we'll get negative 5x, and in the middle, positive 5x, and at the end, negative 25. So when you add these like terms, they go away. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0, so we're not going to see an x at all in our problem. So this only happens when everything is exactly the same in your parentheses, but one plus and one minus. So the rule is basically that happens. You just need to square the a, minus, and square the b. So let me show you that again. On example 3, we would have y times y is y squared, 3y and negative 3y, and negative 9. And those will go away, and we just y squared minus 9. Let's try it here, just with a shortcut. So we're going to get 4x squared. I know the two middles are going to go away, cancel out, and if I multiply the last terms, I get negative 1. Just one more time, remember that it only happens if you have the exact same parentheses, 1 plus, 1 minus. So then you guys get to do the checkpoint. We'll check them in class tomorrow. Have a good day.